Help support the companies that support our community. After I got it all sanded to 400, I used a Easy Wood, the fine detailer, to bring down the little nubs on the end and cut it off with a pole saw. So I made a few of these. What I did is I just turned them, sanded them, put them on the bench, and then when I got all done with the last one here, I went ahead and put the Jacobs chuck in with the sanding pad, and then went through all the grits again and cleaned up the ends on all of them. For the finish, I use mineral oil. It's food safe. It's easy to apply. You just soak the whole thing down, set it on a paper towel, and let it set overnight. So there they are. I did 4 different shapes on it. I'll picture up here. I think it's in the thumbnail too. But I was just kind of messing around with it, like a regular honey dipper is kind of shaped like that, and you just use the parting tool to go in with it. We were looking for different designs and things. Found this design online. Robin found that. So on this one, basically it's turned the same way, but you can use a lot smaller piece of wood, kind of just a flat, I don't know, probably 3/4 inch thick. And I just turned it in between centers and then sanded this flat when I was done. If you're going to do one like this and drill holes in it though, make sure before you start sanding on it, you drill the holes first. I did it with a Forstner bit, and there's a little bit of tear out coming through the other side sometimes. So you want to drill the hole first and then sand it, so you don't get it all done and have it rip out on you. This one here, Robin, I was making these and she goes, can you just use a beading tool on one? And so that's what I did on that one. It probably doesn't hold as much honey as the other one, but it looks really cool. And I just used the D-Way beading tool for that one. And they're all kind of different. I did myrtle wood, a couple of maple ones, maple burl, and then that's just a straight grain maple one. All right. These two, I know I'm on a kick with the with the craft show stuff, but little things like this, they don't take very long to turn, and it's much nicer to have a hand-turned honey dipper than a metal or plastic one. So you can use up little bits of wood again in the shop to make little things like this. The one I just made, beautiful piece of maple, and it was 8 inches long, and I have enough left over for a bottle stopper. So I got a honey dipper and a bottle stopper out of that one little piece of wood. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next week. Take care.